Hello, welcome to my channel Think Creative. Today I am going to show you how to add taskbar like iOS browser in your Windows PC. So let's get started. Open your browser and type Rocket Dock. I have given link in the description so you can directly download from it. Download Rocket Dock and I have already downloaded it, so it is showing open. You have to install it and open it. Open Rocket Dock, it looks like this, so let's customize it. First go to taskbar settings and check mark on automatic hide the taskbar location on screen to the left side. Now close the taskbar. So now you can see that you want to add your icons, so take any of your icons from the desktop, add it to it. Then now you have to hide the desktop icons so it looks like clean desktop. And go to dock settings and here you have to use icons, and you have to in icons you have to set opacity size 51 px, zoom to 19 px, size to 51 px, and zoom at 19 px, zoom width at 4 it's okay, and then duration 200 ms, yes it's okay, and position is look better on bottom, so at the bottom, and you can take as you wish. And then centering as 0% and edge offset around 19 px, it will be okay. Go to style, style, Windows 10 theme. This theme is not already installed, so you have to I have given link in the description. You have to install it from there and then paste it on the scheme folder. It will be on program files, C drive program files in Document. Add it and then you will see the theme folder here, and make opacity 31%, outline 75%, and shadow opacity 25%. Now go to behavior, bounce is okay, and check out text box on pop-up mouse. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. So like, subscribe and comment your opinion. Thank you. Have a good day. See you again.